this is the lace front, lace top topper. This is 14 inches. That's about the right length for me. Natural black is the color that you can dye darker or bleach lighter. So I don't have to take the time to put the beach wave in. It's already in the topper. Beautiful. I also did the $5 to sew the clips in. So this is my natural part. So let's see what we have. I'm gonna try and line up the part. You guys, this wave is gorgeous. I'm not kidding. This is fantastic. The wave in this is perfect for me. So for all you girls out there looking for the perfect beach wave or who have naturally wavy hair yourselves, I highly recommend this gorgeous wave. Yeah, I love it.